Hello friends, good evening to you. Today I want to discuss about some sort of technical analysis which you can do before you taking up any strategies in selling options. In option selling, open interest data is much more useful than anything else. But apart from it, in addition to that, you can take little directional bias from the technical chart. It will be much more helpful for you. As you all are aware of that, in the option there is a range required, not very specific directions. Means a price has to be within a range so that you can get benefit out of the theta. The entire process is comprising of 4 easy steps. I have divided the complete process into 4 very simple steps. Any newcomer, any new trader or beginner can take this 4-step process to execute his trade and earn profit. This process is made mainly for the directional trader who wants to follow the trend, the trend follower. So based on the direction of a market or the direction of the stock, they can take their position. In the step 1, we need to screen the stock and select those stocks for which we are going to make the strategies. For that particular purpose, I am going to present you one chart. This is available in the NSE website. I am giving the link in the below description. You can click it and see. It's readily available in the NSE website. There are 3 major columns you have to look at for that particular screen. There is a column, I have already marked it with the arrow. It's a 2-day column, 365 days column and 30 days column. In these 3 columns, you need to look at those stocks which are in the same direction. Let me explain you in detail. You need to see the slopes for that chart. You can see the small graph over there. Try to understand that wherever the stocks have got the same sort of slopes or same sort of inclinations. This is called convergence. All the 3 parameters in all the 3 time frame, the slope should be similar. Means it will be slightly upward, not exactly 45 degree, it can be 15 degree, 30 degree. So let me explain you little further. Check the 365 days column and choose those stocks which has got upward slope. As I can see, there are stocks like TCS, Bajaj Finance. There is a stock Maruti, JSW Steel. So you can list down those stocks which has got a upward slope in 365 days column. Now come to the 30 days. So after checking the 1-year time frame, now we have to come to the 1-month time frame and check the upward slope for that column also. So out of these 4 or 5 stocks I told, you can see there the TCS has got upward slope in the monthly time frame also. Maruti, JSW Steel, Bajaj Finance, these 3 stocks also have got upward slope in the 1-month time frame. Now let's look back to the 1-day time frame, and in that time frame also the slopes are on upward directions. So we can choose these stocks based on the 3 time frame, the larger time frame and the shorter time frame, and the alignment of these time frames are mandatory to take any positions for that stock in a directional side. That 3 time frame should be aligned and converge to give us a proper indication that stock is moving in one direction in all the 3 time frame. With that, our first step of stock selection and stock screening is completed. Now let's go to the second step. Second step, we need to confirm those stocks really they are in the uptrend or not. If not, we need to wait till a certain level and then we can enter into our strategy. The chart setup, what you need to look at, what I used to follow in my trading style is the Donchian channel mixed with the Renko chart. Donchian channel represents a stock's high price for last 20 days and the last 20 days low price and the average of these two price. So have a look on the chart. There is a upper band and the lower band. Upper band is the last 20 days high price and the lower band represents the last 20 days low price, and you can see a line, a black color line in the center, which represents the average of the high price and the low price of last 20 days. So with that we can easily get a range within which we have to set up a trade, we have to manage a trade, and we have to make profit out of it. Renko charts ignore time and focus solely on price changes that meet a minimum requirement. These are bricks. Somehow this looks like blocks. They move up and down in 45-degree line with one brick per vertical column. Bricks with upper price movement is shown here by green, and bricks with falling price movement is shown here with red. To know more about Renko chart and the Donchian channel, you can Google out and get the information. After setting up this configuration in your trading terminal, now I am going to discuss with the step number 2 how to get the confirmations of those stocks which you have selected in step 1. Take the trade entry whenever Renko bar is just passing the mean average line. That means the line which is the average line at the center, the black color line. I already explained to you this is the average line of the upper price band and the lower price band. This is our entry point. The moment Renko bar is formed above this line, you need to enter into the trade. So far this is clear. Now the step number 3, which strategy you need to execute. You can execute any of selling strategies based on your risk appetite, based on the strategy you are comfortable with. But for the sake of simplicity and keeping in mind that many beginners are going to see this video, I am going to demonstrate a simple strategy which can clear so many doubts for the beginner also. It's not a rocket science, just a simple strategy. I am taking the example of Maruti here to demonstrate you, because if I take all the stocks, it is going to lengthen the video time. On the Maruti stock, I am going to buy at the money call option. In this case, Maruti is traded around 7,200. Maruti's lot size is 100. So I am going to buy one at the money 7,200 call options. The price is around 225 rupees 20 paise. I am going to sell one out of the money call option of 7,300 strike price. The price is around 180 rupees. So it is basically a debit spread. But since the debit spread attracts cost, so my target is to reduce the cost price for the particular debit spread. So what I have done here, I have sold one more far out of the money call option of 7,700 strike. It's traded around 56.45 rupees, and I bought one more call option of 7,900 at 30 rupees 35 paisa to hedge that second short leg. So look at the screen now. With the third and fourth leg, I am going to reduce the cost of the original debit spread. Now the debit is almost 2,000 rupees if on the downside, or at the same time if the Maruti stock expires. So it's basically very negligible compared to the whole margin, compared to the whole profit potential. I'm going to show you the payoff diagram. Before that, let me discuss two more things with you. try to stick your strategy with only Nifty 50 stocks, because those stocks are having more liquidity and less manipulation. And take only those stocks which has got ITM liquidity, because it may so happen that while selling the stock you may have a liquidity problem after 1 month, because we are going to take this strategy for at least 1 month. The net debit is 2000 on expiry. The total margin requirement is 57,000 per lot. Maximum profit will be 8,000 rupees. But I will not wait till the expiry. I will book my profit at my target profit of 4,000 rupees, which is 50% of the maximum profit, because I am happy with that much. If you calculate that money, it turns out to be 7% on your margin money. Margin money is the only money which is blocked by the exchange when you trade. So that is your investment. So that's how you can construct your strategy with the help of the technical I had discussed. Now come to the step number 4. There is a trade management. In the risk-defined strategies, you don't require much trade management. In the downside, you need not to worry about. Just ride the trend as long as the stock price is going to take you. So do not exit. Whenever you feel comfortable that you have achieved your target price, you exit your trade. That is your exit point, nothing else. The major disadvantage of the directional trade, if the stock reverses back from a particular point, there is a chance that your strategy will run into loss. But in this strategy, the downside risk is almost like zero, very minimum. So there is no downside as such if the stock falls suddenly or if there is a crash in the stock market. So if you keep on adding the same strategy, if the stock moves upward, maximum up to 4 strategy for particular month, you can multiply your profit income, because maximum profit and maximum loss is defined. You will never lose more than the maximum loss defined in the strategy. So very less chance you need to manage the trade. However, if the stock slips down, you can always roll down the OTM call option, which is 7,700 call option, downwards and collect more credit and make it a break even on the downside. And if the stock moves up and hits 7,700 any chance before the expiry, just create one calendar spread or calendar diagonal at 7,800 strike price. This will hedge your upside to quite extent. And on every gradual upward movement of the stock, let us say every 2% upward movement of the stock, you can do the trend following by taking multiple same type of strategy one after another. But do not take more than 4 sets, because otherwise you will invite so much risk. And why to take that much risk? Go for 4 lots, take your profit and come out of the trade and look for some other opportunities. That's how the all 4 steps are being constructed. It's very simple and easy to follow. Just maintain the reserve cash of 50% to manage if any crisis happened on the upside, because downside there is no crisis. And then you can see, start paper trading, start virtual trading, and you can feel the difference, you can learn it. The trend follower can get help from this type of chart, where they have to follow a trend in the direction of the market or the direction of the stock. As you have seen in the Donchian channel, with the help of Renko chart, they can be sitting on a trend and they can riding a trend till it get exhausted. I hope you have all enjoyed my channel. Please subscribe the channel if you have liked the content, and do forward it to your friend. And do not forget to hit the bell button, else you will not be able to see my next videos. Till then, keep trading, keep selling options, keep enjoying profit, keep earning incomes. Thank you very much.